starts over here on the front. So I got the oil catch can. I got it on eBay, Amazon, I think it was. It looks nice. Firm, steady. Mishimoto hoses. I'm gonna change all the hoses on this one too, just like I did on my FX. It'll look much better. So much stuff to do in this car. And then back here, let me show you guys. So this is the old turning signal from factory, and this is the one I got now. Most of you guys probably seen already. It's just a plug and play. This one I got on eBay. Don't mind my mess, I'm still like working on this car. This one I got it on eBay cheaper, like $45–50 maybe. Not the one from Diode Dynamics, which was like $80, and it does the same job. Pretty much simple. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, I think it's a good angle. Very simple. If it comes off, there you go. Plug this one in. Plug this one in here. Tuck the wires in now. That's it, you're done. Oh yeah. I want to see hazard lights, how it works. I want to see if it works on hazard light too. Oh yeah. Looks nice. Tinted tail lights. I'm probably gonna redo this one because it's the first time I ever did this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do it again. This side came out a little bit better than the other side, but over here it's still a little crappy. First time for everything. Now let me turn the lights. Huh. The weird part is it doesn't turn this one now. That's no good. If I ever have to do the inspection, they're gonna say, oh, you have a faulty light. It should work on brake when you brake it. I'm gonna have to check now to see how it works now. Let's see what else I can do with this.